Hello everyone. Today we are seeing the human respiratory system. The human respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of the oxygen and carbon dioxide from the body and external environment. The human respiratory system contains the various organs which facilitating in a process of breathing and provide oxygen and removal of an carbon dioxide from our body. The human respiratory system contains first nose, then pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, alveolar sacs, and diaphragm. In that first nose, in human respiratory system, the inhalation of an air by the nose. The nose contains the small hairs which can be helps for the filtration, warming and humidification of an air. The nose also contains olfactory receptors which are responsible for the smelling. Second one is a pharynx. The air from nasal cavity is come into the pharynx. The pharynx is contain three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. In nasopharynx it starts from the nose. Oropharynx it starts from the buccal cavity, and laryngopharynx it is an extended part of the oropharynx. Larynx. The air from the pharynx is again comes into the larynx. The larynx is also called as the voice box. The larynx contains vocal cords which are responsible for the production of the sound for speech. Fourth organ it is a trachea. Trachea it is a tube-like structure which also known as a windpipe. The air from the larynx comes into the trachea. The trachea contains cilia and mucus which is responsible for the trapping of foreign materials and microorganisms. Fifth one it is a bronchus. The trachea is further divided into two bronchus. Each bronchi in one lungs. The bronchus is again divided into the bronchioles, and the bronchioles forms the air sac which also known as the alveoli. These bronchi are surrounded by the smooth muscles. Another organ is alveoli. Alveoli it is a small grape-like structure. It is found in lungs. It is surrounded by the blood capillaries. The alveoli plays the important role in gases exchange. During the process of respiration, the oxygen from the alveoli reaches into the blood capillaries, and the carbon dioxide from the blood capillaries are reached to the alveoli by the process of diffusion. The last organ is a diaphragm. Diaphragm it is a dome-shaped respiratory muscles which are located below the chest. The diaphragm plays important role in contraction and relaxation of an muscles. When the diaphragm is contract, then the volume of thoracic cavity is increases and it leads to the inhalation. And when the diaphragm is relaxed, then the volume of thoracic cavity is decreases and it causes the exhalation. Here we see the human respiratory system. Thank you.